Thank you.
Just here?
Yeah, please.
For you, please.
Where did Harry and Mostra?
In the middle. In the middle. Star jumps, please. No. Smile. Too much emotion,
I'm going to start, and then we'll share. Jennifer, the Babadook was a very big success internationally.
It's really important for me as a filmmaker to do work that I care deeply about, and so while I was offered a lot of projects, and some of them really good ones, if I don't have that passion and love, I get bored. So I thought I'd choose something really easy as my second film. No, but I really care about the film, and that's why I persisted with it.
The scripts and these roles.
I knew that about, honestly, 10 to 15 pages that I would have done anything to get this role. The thing that struck me most about Jen's writing is the truth. It's raw, it's honest, it's moving, and you can't, it takes an artist, I think, to write that way. And it just moved me instantly, and it really resonated with me, and I fought to the death for it.
Are very contemporary issues. There is racism, there is